RS ECU, WRX ECU. Now to merge them together. Okay, Tay, so where are we at now?
All the WRX main engine plugs are looped through the box here, taped up. There are some connections we had to make to reconnect the main engine plug.
Okay.
And then the DC-CD wires also come out here. This one isn't getting DC-CD right now, but if you merge with us, it's already ready for the future. So even if you have like just a NA or Turbo 5-speed now, if you swap in the Turbo 6-speed and get DC-CD Pro, we plug it right in.
Booyah!
Starting from the ECU, this is WRX, and WRX merged up to RS here. WRX spits out here, up to RS here on this side, going to the gas tank. RS here, going through the grommet to the engine bay. The WRX also loops on top of the RS here, going across out to WRX right here to the main engine plugs. The RS engine plugs were cut off already, and the rest of the body here is RS.
Final step, and most important, quality control. $11.92.